Maryland really got me like this. Really making me wear a big ass coat. Look at this shit. I don't think I won't wear the damn slippers though. I've been streaming a lot on Twitch, so if you guys don't already follow me on Twitch, follow me on Twitch. Join the Discord. I'm gonna wipe all the damn snow off the car. Yesterday was actually the day it did snow, and I could have went out, but it was really sketch. I know Mason drove in and he said it was really sketch. Fuck this shit. Wipe the car, good enough. Put this on 1 quadrillion. This is why I need to move to Florida, because I could care less about snow. So I gotta run to the post office, drop off some orders from Shop Webbies. And then we're getting some Chick-fil-A because I haven't eaten since a week ago. I can't see a goddamn thing. For some reason with my car, if I don't have it on recycle mode, like everyone in the car's eyes burn off. Please help me. Why doesn't the window go down? Come on, man. The main roads are fine, but I have a feeling the neighborhood's still gonna be pretty bad. 335 rear-wheel drive, so probably the worst cars for the snow. Oh. We'll be all right. Look at the snow spoiler.
Don't go outside tonight. Mama, I love you, just let me live my life. When I'm by myself, I get scared, let me cry.
You ain't just talking shit to me. Who's flicking me off? Get parked there!
Baby, help me breathe, I feel like I'm alone. This road's so long.
My mom just called me and said she needs milk.
And I don't feel so strong. You can.
Yo! You already do. God, dude. Want some milk? Nope. Oh, since Colin dropped the fucking milk, now we gotta go to Target to get another one.
We don't see eye to eye.
Dang! Get out. Mission to get milk failed. Target and Giant didn't even have milk. Wyatt is soaked. Sick ass shot for that RAV4. Sick ass shot! Their beer is closed. We got you, bro.
I got you.
Just saving lives out here. That's it for today, so I'm gonna see you all tomorrow. Alright, so it's the next day, and it's really sketchy that I have my car out right now because it like rained all last night and there's probably ice everywhere and we're probably gonna die. We're going down to a camera store and a computer store to get a few things, and I brought the car. That motherfucker has access to talk to Kim Jong-un and do that thing. I don't know what we're gonna get to, but we're gonna try to get some car content down here. I don't really know what cars should be able to film. I mean, look at the fucking roads right now. But we might die if we try anything crazy. Definitely lost hella traction. Alright, we made it to Micro Center. And look at my car, bro. This shit is nasty. Oh my god. L. Wyatt. Definitely gonna need a car wash. Alright, so we just left Micro Center. And Colin pretty much bought a whole new PC. Go follow that motherfucker on Twitch. But look at these names. We got Patanglong and Bangkok Street. That's a goddamn porn scene over there. How to blow N54. Oh my god. How are we on the chat? Well, it's the next day since the last time I picked the camera up. Y'all been asking for a minute what's done to my car, what's done to Mason's car, and who would win in a race. So today we're gonna do a dig and a couple 40 rolls. And this man is over here dropping tire pressure for this street race.
I dropped a little bit. I'm on this shitty ass. Look at the fucking road.
It's definitely not the best conditions out here. It's negative 50 degrees.
We wrecked. Whatever.
If we wreck, it's a better video.
This isn't the exact spot, but this is fucking close.
Yeah, no, this is the road we're gonna do the racing on. But we're gonna do a quick rundown on the cars. They're very similar, other than one major thing on Mason's, but
Ain't nothing done wrong.
stop.
No, I just got an intercooler for some odd ass reason.
All right, so it's Mason's 2008 335 hunk of junk right here.
I think it is a piece of shit. So it's typical like fucking intercooler, charge pipe, blow off valve. I went with 19T's, stage 2 fuel pump from fuel relocation inlets. Outlets are stock, index 12s.
It's pretty much FBO with 19T E3 turbos, which we made a video on. I mean, it's just a typical ass normal build. She got 19Ts and a massive coolant leak, which helps. Yeah, and
on BCs.
BC coils.
Regular ass tire.
Secondary cat delete, muffler delete, callus downpipes. All right, now with mine. What you doing, man? He's over here tightening up his front suspension just to get gapped by a stock turboed car.
Hold on, look what the fuck he's got on.
Look, an engine cover. You know what that is?
How you zoom it in?
Right here.
You gotta tell me, you teach me how to work this one.
Just turn this. So this one's like same shit, just no 19Ts. 7.5 inch intercooler, ARM relocation inlets, tile cube blow off valve, ARM charge pipe, stage 2 fuel pump on stock turbos, and we're MHD stage 2 plus tuned. He's on CD919's tune.
Lower inner tire pressure still.
Yeah. This man taking this so serious and I ain't doing shit.
I'm not taking it serious, I just don't want to fucking...
You want to put money on it? Bet, $1,000 pot.
Alright.
You got $500 to put in the pot?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, but that's pretty much a quick breakdown. If I said cosmetic mods, we'd be here for a little bit, so fuck all that. I'm also on BC coils. Alright, so we're gonna put GoPros on the cars and then do a dig.
Whoa, hold on, fellas. Alright, I short shifted, I was a bitch. Get the mud off the tire, huh? Well, complain like I ain't gonna lay one down, huh? Alright, we gotta go.
You ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
I shifted so fucking early.
God damn it. There's no traction on this road. I was spinning like a bitch, bro.
We gotta redo that, son. I hope he wasn't really trying, cause y'all boys seen that one second pretty quick. Do that again.
Do it again?
Yeah. I'm gonna wipe the tires.
All right, y'all ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Ain't give me too much there. That one was a much better race.
Told you it wasn't gonna be that fucking far. You gotta think, how fast is 4/10?
Yeah, exactly.
Told you it was gonna be a good race. Dude, I spun for a good while.
Did you?
A little bit.
The first time. So we did 2 dig races. The first one he got me good. The second time was definitely closer. This road sucked ass for traction. There's like salt all over the roads from the snow. We're gonna go do some like 40 rolls and shit on the main road, so we're gonna see how that goes. Look at the fucking vaccine line in Southern Maryland.
That ain't even half.
Why are so many people getting vaxxed up today? That is wild. I do a 40 roll right now. Hell nah. I had such a bad launch too.
Wait, we gotta redo it.
Yeah, we gotta definitely redo this.
Redo.
Yeah, next one, you do it out the window.
Yeah, I'll put the window on.
What the hell? His car cut out. What just happened?
Are you going?
Yeah, I had a fucked up start though.
Oh, okay, you wanna do it again?
Yeah, let's do it again. I thought your car broke. I was like, why is man's getting out the car? Sorry about that.
Sorry, man.
The guy behind us.
Oh, he's mad.
Oh, look at that thing.
We're gonna race one day. 1, 2, 3!
Low end torque fucking got him right now.
That was a race.
That was a little better.
That was a race. Every first race, I get slapped, and then the second race, we come back.
×2. Fuck them.
Go fuck that Corvette up.
Oh yeah, I'm ready today, motherfucker. What's up? Where you going, boy? Come on, man. Why not? Come on, man. Just for fun. Come on. Hey, you already won. Come on, man. Let's at least do a little
dick. As soon as, hey, I'm recording it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That thing's cool, man. I love it. I appreciate it, bro. He said he knew the motherfuckers was fast. What y'all wanted to? How bad was it? Bad. It's a grand sport. Look at this fucking dickhead.
I mean, when I'm talking in the Twitch streams and I say Mason actually drives like this all the time. Look at this man. There was the Mason versus Wyatt race, 19T versus stock. I mean, we're very similar. Everything's the same, except for the fact that he's on 19Ts and his tune's a little more aggressive than mine. So that being said, is 19Ts worth it? I mean, yeah, I would say so. I know the race was close, but he also doesn't have like a kill tune on. And the main reason we put 19Ts on his is because if you guys remember, his blew after we went to the track. So it would make no sense to put stock turbos in compared to the 19Ts. And as y'all saw, Mason race that Corvette and absolutely donkey gapped him. So for the rest of this video, my friend Hunter is having his 21st birthday party. So me, Carson, and Mason are pulling up. They got a stripper. Right now, I'm actually on the way to go get a bunch of ones. And I'm gonna film a little bit at the party. I don't know how much of the stripper I'm gonna be able to show. Hunter, bro, look what I'm bringing tonight. Look at this shit, bro.
Oh yeah, here we go.
How the fuck did you get that? I got like 3 ones.
I got none.
Oh,
Fuck two.
getting lit on fucking lights on. Here we go.
This man hit a mountain last night. There's oil everywhere.